Good morning. It is Friday morning, February 28th, 2025, and it's time for your morning walk with me, Sophfronia. So this week, had a lot of long meetings for work, as I'm sure we all do. But I was noticing how when I finish these calls, even if I'm dealing with something frustrating, I come away with a lot of energy, feeling really good about what I'm doing, the people that I'm working with, and it feels like a good place from which to think about things. Now, why do I bring this up? Because I know that there's a lot of change going on, and people are going to be making a lot of decisions about where they work and where they live, about what to do next. And I would love for you to think about, when you make those decisions, to make sure that you're doing them from a place of running towards something and not running away from something. There is a big difference, because when you're running away from something, you have that flight energy, right? That fight or flight energy. And it's scary, and it puts you in a defensive posture, survival mode. And whatever it is that you do next, you don't want it to come from that feeling. Because in one way or another, you will continue to have that feeling, even though you're out of one situation and into another. This is something I kind of learned a long time ago, back when my son was small and not sleeping, which meant I wasn't sleeping. I could tell that the next day I was kind of not in my right mind, And I learned never to make any decisions on a day when I haven't had enough sleep the night before, because I could feel that I was pessimistic, I was dark, I was just not feeling well. And I already knew that nothing good could come out of a decision made from that stance. So this may sound like a lot of, woo-woo, and people talk about feeling good and taking bubble baths and all of that, but this isn't about that. This is about agency. This is about feeling what's right for you, about what you want in your life, and to make sure that whatever it is you do next, you feel good about it, because you want that good feeling to continue. I started working at my job 5 years ago, and it's still exciting, still doing amazing things, still growing the program that we're working on. And I feel the same way about the move our family recently did. So just think about that. Think about how you feel. Are you feeling the way you want to feel? Let's start there. And if not, what can change? What could you be doing that will help you feel better? And to move from there. I'm going to keep walking. I wish you the best of luck, and that you land where you're meant to land, or stay where you're meant to stay, but to do it from a place of being who you are and feeling the blessings that come from it. You take care. I'll see you again next week. Bye.